What's up, everybody? Welcome to this week's Option Pro upcoming weekly webinar, special small account version. All right, so what I'm be doing is, well, before we go ahead, please pause your screen, guys, and read this disclaimer. We are not professionals. We just pretend to be. All right, welcome back. All right, let's get started here. Before we get started, let's see what we have coming up for the week here. All righty. If I learn how to use a Mac, it'll be better. All right. Earnings wise, what do we have? Monday, Coca-Cola before the open. IBM after the close on Monday. United, that will affect stuff like United, American Airlines, JetBlue. What else do we have Monday? Nothing that I see. Tuesday, Johnson & Johnson, Abbott. That's it. After the close is this one, Netflix. So that's going to be a big one there. That's going to affect stuff like Disney, Roku. What else do we have? Wednesday, Verizon. I don't like trading that too much, but that's one that should be good. What else? After the close, Chipotle, Spirit Airlines, we don't trade. Discover. That will affect Visa, MasterCard. Thursday, AT&T, Snap Inc., Intel. Intel will affect AMD, NVIDIA, MU. And that's all for the week we have here. All righty. Let's look at economy news. What do we have coming up this week? Monday, nothing stands out there. Tuesday, nothing crazy. Wednesday, mortgage applications at 7 a.m. Thursday is jobless claims, Chicago Fed, existing homes. Those will all affect the market. Kansas City will affect the market. And Friday, 10 o'clock is home sales. All righty. That's what we have there in the setup. Now, what I'm going to be doing this week is I'll be focused on small accounts. So that means accounts that are under, let's just say under 10 grand. All right, guys. If you're under 10 grand, if you're at 10, if you're at 9, if you're at 8, if you're at 7, if you're at 1K, right? Your focus needs to be staying green. I say that all the time, stay green, yeah. But the meaning behind that is, guys, if you stay green, $100 a day, that's $500 a week. So that adds up. 1 week, 500, the next week, another 500. That's $1,000 right there. You want to grow your account. If you have an account of 2 grand, say, right? You cannot try and double your account every day because you're going to go red. So just focus on building your account. 1% a day. You know, if you had $1 grand and you get $50 out a day, you're in the lead. You're above where you should be. All right. So just focus on 1 or 2 trades, proper setups, and executing those setups. And stay away from Amazon, stay away from Tesla, stay away from Google, stay away from Shop. Yes, if you're right, you're going to get a lot of money out of it. Yes. But if you're wrong, can you handle that loss? You need to think about that. Can you handle that loss if you're wrong? How are you going to trade it on a pullback? How are you going to feel on a pullback? You know, so focus on stocks that you could actually trade a chart with. All righty. All right. So before we get started here, guys, I have 3 charts up here. I have the weekly, the daily, and the 4-hour charts. On the daily, I have the 50 and the 200 simple moving average. All right. I just want to glance at ES right here. 1 second. Just take a look at it. All right. I just want to see what we're doing. We're at highs here. All right. Let's look at SPY. All right. SPY at highs. So people with small accounts, all right, on Wednesday and on Friday, not on a Monday. We're just starting off the week. I want to start the week off slowly. Just get green. On Wednesday and Thursday, guys, you guys could trade SPY 0 to DTE small. You know, where you're just trying to catch, a few dollars here, a few dollars there. All right, so SPY right here is at the highs, the all-time highs. I'll break over that 418, guys. We're going to go up towards that 420 area. Now that 420 area, I don't feel it's going to break that easily. I'm thinking we have a test of that 420 and then either sideways action or a hard rejection. I don't see us flying right through that from 418 right through it at all. All right, so above 418, guys, as you know, we trade SPY at the highs every $1. So I'll break over 418, trade up towards 419, then 420. On the downside, a break under 415. The levels will be 414, 412.50, and then 410. All right, that's for the week. All right, let's look at the Qs. What are we doing with the Qs? We're at highs also here. I'll break over that 342.50 area. We're going to go up towards that 345 and then the 347 area. A break under 339, guys. We're going to drop down towards the 337.50 area, 337, and then 335. That is our ranges on the Qs. All right, so for this week, if your account is small, guys, all right, forget about the Amazons again, all right? Do not focus on those plays. I want you guys should be focusing on these setups, all right? Set your alerts, and if you trade these stocks, right, you're trading at the money strikes, all right? You're trading at the money strikes. So here, on the break of 135, you will be trading the 135, not the 140, the 135. If you go forward 1, you get 1. If you go forward 5, you get 5. You don't think I could buy 20 of these and only 3 of these, so I'm going to buy this one. No, stay at the money, all right? Build your account. Focus on that. All right, let's get to these levels here. All righty. So just alert for now. I don't need it right now. All right, so we're having some consolidation between 132 and 135. I'll break over the 136, let's say, guys. I'll be safe here. Trade us up towards that 137.50, 138 area. I'll break over the 138, guys. The next target is going to be 140 and 142. Now, the way we should be trading this tomorrow and the next day or the next day after that, right? Say we break over this 5-minute chart. We break over this 136 area, right? I can't show you on this, but I'll talk you through it. I'll break over that 136 area. You're going to hop in at the money, all right? On the close of the candle. You're not focused on just scalping right now. You're focusing on trading the chart here, all right? So a close over this 136, right? You want to see how the next 3-minute candle opens up. If it opens up green, you hop in at the money strike, right? If it opens up red, you want to see it test that 135.50, 135 area and come back up. If it comes up the second time, you hop in on the break of 136. We're trading this at the money again, all right? The 135 strike we're doing here, all right? You trade it up on the 5-minute chart. I'll break over 136.50, guys. You guys would be up a bit there. You would be up a good, 5-10 cents there, right? Your new stop loss now, right, will be 136.25 area. All right. Any close under that area, you close your trade. All right. So as we go up every 50 cents, right, you're going to adjust your stop loss. You're going to raise it up a little bit. 25 cents, 40 cents up. You're going to look for a area that has been either rejected on the way up, and here's the 136.50 area, all right, or holding on the way down. All right. So we're looking at this area here. Looking at that area here to hold as we pass it, all right? At around 138, if it makes it up there, all right? You need to be ready to take half off right there, all right? You take half off right there and you hold half on this one. Now, a rejection of 138 and we drops back down towards 137.40, you close your trade. All right. If it is this area and stays under between 138 and 137.50 area, if it stays inside there, right, with a low volume, you stay in the trade. Right, you stay in that trade, and then that actually breaks up. You have an option now, right? You have an option now to add to this trade. You still have half of your original play, right? But now you're going to add half more on this break here now, and you're going to trade it the same way now, right? The 138. If it goes up, right, you'll take profits around 140. You guys keep adjusting your stop loss. Your stop loss is now 136 now, right? It's around here first, and then as you head up, you keep adjusting it up. All right. So if I get that 138, you're going to add that second half back onto it now, right? And you're going to trade the chart, the 3-minute chart, up. And any rejection with volume and it breaks under 138, you close all your contracts. You're still going to be green on it, but you're going to close all your contracts. You're not going to see what happens. Stop seeing what happens. Trade the chart. All righty. So a recap here. I'll break over 136. Our targets are 138, 140, and 142. On the downside, I don't like it inside of here. I'll break on the 132. Trade is down towards the 130 area, the 128 area, and then inside here, I'm not even looking at it. All right, next setup you guys should be looking at is AMD. All right, she has room up towards her trend line right here. She has nice volume set up, higher volume last week. On that hold of this damn 74 has been so strong, just so strong. This whole area right here has been so strong. All right, so a break over 85 now, right? We're going to trade this up to every $1, right? I'm going to tell you every $1, but my targets are 86, 87.50, and 90. All right, you're hopping in again at the money. We're staying at the money. So a break over, say we're at 82 right now. A break over 84, right? You're trading the 84 strike. All right, it's gonna be around 130, 135 at that time, but you're trading the at the money strike. You're not going out 2 strikes, 3 strikes. Just stay at the money. All right, trade is up towards 86, 87.50, and then 90 area. You're not gonna hold inside of here. She could hit this line and drop down here. All right, now after the 90 break, here's for trading the same week. If you grab a strike that's 3, 4 weeks out, you can hold it inside of here. All right, you can hold it inside of here. I already told you guys, about grabbing the June $90 strikes. All right, but if you're trading the same week between 89.50 and 90, you're not holding it. All right, she could hit this and drop hard. She could hit this and drop hard. Boom, drop hard. All right, so inside of here, you're not holding it. All right, a break over 91, then you go back up towards 92 and 94. On the downside, a break under 80, traded down towards 78, 77, and 76. All right, my primary focus here, guys, will be this break right here up towards 87.50 and 90. All right, and another one, a Bank of America. All right, the best one, cheap premiums, but a lot of volume. A lot of people trade it. All right, so here's one way you can size up at the money. So I'm looking for a break over this 40-50 area, trading up towards 41. Now, she doesn't move like a Tesla, $5, $10, or an Apple, $1, $2 move. She moves in 25-cent jumps. All right, so every 25-cent jump is about 5-6 cents on the premium, right? All right, so break over this 40-50, trade up towards 41, 41.25 and 41.50. On the downside, a break under 38, right? A break under this, which going to trade us back down towards this 37 area. All right. Next one I'm looking at is Blink. A break under this 34 area, guys. Trade it back down towards 33 and then 30. On the upside, I'm not looking at it at the upside right now. All right, I'm looking at the downside only right now. All right, next one we're looking at Citibank. I'm another bank. Cheap premiums here. A nice little flag happening here as well. We can draw this line right here. Draw this right here. All right. All right. The aggressive trade is a break over this 73, trade back up towards 74, 74.50. Between 74.50 and 75, it's going to be a tough trade. The break over 75, guys, then we're going up towards 76 and then 77 and 78. All right. On the downside, a break under 71. You're not going to size up on this one. Trade back down towards 70. A break under 70, you can add a little bit more half size, 3/4 size trade. Trade down towards 69 and 68. Staying at the money. All right, next one. CCIV. On the downside, I like it. A break under this 19 now. Trade it back down towards 18, 17.50, and 16 area. On the upside, I'm not crazy about. Disney. Now she's in the middle of a small cap, a small account, big account trade here, right? But you could do on the break of that 190, trading the 190 strike. It's going to be around 250, probably 220, you know. But a break over that 190, guys, trade back up towards that 190, 250, and 195 area. All right. Every 250 up. On the downside, you don't size up for this one. A break on the 185, trade back down towards 183.50, and then get out of it. All right. Well, what if you sell here, right? If you hop in here and you sell around here, right? Great trade. If you hop out and she drops that out of nowhere, that's fine. You got your piece. All right. Look for a piece of the cake, not the whole cake. If you have the whole cake, you're gonna get fat. All righty. DKNG. All righty. I'm looking for a break over 60, trading it up towards 62, 63, and 65 area. On the downside, a break under the 56. We're going to trade this back down towards 54. And then 53 and 52. All right. FUBU on the downside, I'm looking at a break under I'm not too crazy about this, actually. A break under 1750, guys. Trade down towards 15 area. And then 14, we can squeeze out of it. On the upside, a break over the 23, trade back up towards 25. Inside of here, I'm not trading it. I don't want it inside of here. All right. I want it over 23 up towards this 24, 25 area, 26 area. Inside of here, I'm not looking to trade this. Here, you're not going to get any money out of this. You're just going to stress. And you go ball like some people I know. All righty. INTC, this one might be a little bit weirder because she reports on Thursday. A break over the 66, trade up towards 67 and 68. On the downside, I don't like it too much inside of here. It's just so many possible hold areas. All right, and don't play earnings. All right, next one, JMIA. All righty, make sure, all right. A break under this 30, all right? We're going to trade it back down towards this 28.50 area. All right, after that, it's going to be the 27 area and then 25 area. If she breaks under 25 with volume, we're going to trade it down towards the 20 area. All right. On the break of 30, we're trading what's strike, guys. What strike we trading? Yes, at the money, the $30 strike. All right. On the upside, I'm not looking at it. JPM, a nice consolidation inside of here. Strong consolidation. Exactly what I like to see. Like it happened over here, consolidation, and then she pops out. I'm looking for a break over the 158, trade up towards 160, 162. If that 162 breaks, we're going up towards 165 area. We trade this up every $1 then, right? On the downside, a break under this 149, now 150, the 149. We're trading this down towards 148, and then 147 and 145 area. A break of the 145, we're going down towards this 142.50 and 140. All right. Next one, Microsoft. You know, she's tradable for small accounts. Now, these stocks, guys, again, these stocks, the premiums don't jump like a Tesla will jump, like a Shopify would jump on the upside, right? But what else? They're not going to dump on you like a Tesla would dump on you, or Shopify would dump on you, you know? So you actually just trade the chart. You go actually focus on candles. You go focus on patterns. You go focus on pebbles, not your premiums getting shot on a pullback. All right, so upside wise, it's a little harder here. She had highs, so I say a break over the 260, 250, trade up towards 264 and 265. On the downside, I say a break under the 257.50, trade down towards 255 and 252.50. All right, and then it's gonna be the 250 area, staying at the money. All right, next one, MU. Just make sure these premiums are still low. All righty, a break under the 88, traded down towards 86 and 85 and 84. On the upside, I actually like the 92 break. I like the 92 break. Trade up towards 94 and 96. Next one, NEO. I like it a break under the 34. It's been a hold. See here, guys. She keeps holding this 34, holding the 34, holding 34. If she breaks under now the 34, right, which trades back down towards 32.50, and then 30 and 29. On the upside, if she holds here, right, the aggressive trade is a break over the 38 up towards 40. The safer trade is a break over the 40 up towards 41.50 and 44. Staying at the money. Plug, a break under 25 I like only, trading it down towards 22 and 20 area. Upside, I don't really want to trade it. Next one, QCOM. All righty. I have a swing on this right now, 6 months out. For the week, I don't really like it inside of here. She's hit this area and dropped a couple times right now, so I'm looking for a break over this 141.50, trading up towards 142.50, 145, and 147.50. On the downside, if she starts the day around here, right, a break under 137.50, traded back down towards 136 and 135 area. All right, next one, Tilray. All right, a break under the 15, trades down towards 13, 11, and 10. All right, you're not going to trade it. Your plan is not to swing the same week. I'm talking about the day trades, right? So if you breaks on the 15, you hop in, right? You trade it all the way down. If it's 355, right? 350, 355, and she's still going down here, right? Take some off. Leave one or two on, right? But no more than that. All right? You're going to day trade. You're not swinging the same week. If she just holds for a second, your premiums are shot. Next one is Uber. Uber, break over the 61, guys. Trade up to 62, 63, and 64. On the downside, a break on the 59. We're going back down towards 58 and 57. Staying at the money. All right, next one, WMT. Now, this one is slow grinding too, guys. All these are slow premiums, right? Here is the focus here is day trading them, all right? It's holding them a little bit longer, all right? A break over the 141 area, say 140, 150, or 142 to be safer. Trade is up towards 143, 144 area, right? Get your piece of it, all right? A break over that 144, we're going up towards 145 and 146 area. On the downside, I'm not looking at it. Last one, a break is XBEV, a break on the 30, traded back down towards 29, 28, and 27. On the upside, I don't like it here. I'll handle the best one in the pre-market, guys. All right, guys. Few things here. All right. Again, I want you guys to focus on building your accounts, not having crazy profits. Just focus on building your accounts. Staying green every day. If it's $10, if it's $100, if it's $1,000, if you have an account that's $2,000, take the thoughts of having a $1,000 day out of your head completely. Don't even think about unrealistic gains. Just think about realistic levels. Getting 5%, 10% a day. All right. If you hop into a trade and she goes crazy, right? If you hop into XBEV and you hop in at the 30 break and she just dumps down towards 20, great. Take that profit. Take that grand, but you cannot expect it. You cannot trade. Focus on having a 50% growth in your account every day. All right. Just focus on 5%, 10% a trade. All right. Take your money. If you did that early, take that, walk away. All right. Second thing is, guys, hit like. All right. All right, guys. Stay green, everybody. See you in the chat tomorrow morning. I'll be on voice and probably Zoom also. Stay green.